Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about layer properties. So there are some properties that we use to make the video interesting. You can see that we have 4 videos layer and 1 audio layer. So we have 5 layers in the last audio layer. You can see the little arrow. And if you click on this, click again downside arrow. Then you can see the audio layer properties. And the shortcut to see the audio layer properties is L. So when I press L, then all the audio layers properties, you can see that. And when I press it again, it will all get disappear. And if I select this layer, then press it L, it will show up the audio layer properties of that particular layer. Then we have this waveform, where you can see the upper and lower bars of the audios. Basically, it's in the waveform. So this is about the audio layer. Then we have a video layer. For example, we have the first layer. You can see the little arrow here also. Just press this. Then we have transform and audio. We already talked about audio. Now we talk about the transform. When I open up the transform, here are the properties. So in the video layer, we have to option transform and audio. So first of all, we have this opacity. The shortcut is T. When I press, can see the opacity option here. I already told you about the shortcuts previously. So by the opacity, you can control the transparency of the layer you can see. Below there is another layer. That's why you can see another layer. When I decrease the opacity, then we have rotation. So you can rotate the layer with 2 methods. If you slide it right, then it rotates to right, or when I slide it to left, then it will rotate to left. I will set this back to normal, and you can also rotate this with the help of this rotation tool over there. Its shortcut is W. But we will do with the layer properties because of the convenience. And you can also make keyframes so that you can animate it. After that we have the scale, and you can increase the size of the layer by this option. You can increase or decrease the size of the layer like this. You can also increase the scale by this option. Like this, you can increase or decrease the scale of the layer. But again, if you want to make keyframes, then you have to use the layer properties. Then we have positions. By the positions, you can change the position of the layer by this. I can change the position horizontally or vertically. Then we have the anchor point. The anchor point is the center point of the layer. This is the anchor point. You can see. If I do anything like rotation or change the positions, it's take the center point to rotate or change the positions. But if I change this anchor point, if I change it to another point from the center, you can see that I change the anchor point to the left and then to the bottom left. Then if I rotate this layer again, it rotates from the corner. You can see that if I change it to the bottom middle, then it will rotate from this side. So this is all about it. This is all about the layer properties. We have only 2 options here, transform and audio. In the next topic, we will do an exercise and finish the basic section of After Effects. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.